Hey guys, what's going on? Samstep here. Welcome to another video on the channel, guys. Today we are going to be working on this command server again, and yeah. So as you can see, as you probably can't see right now, but now you can see I've converted the server into 1.12. I'm in 1.12 right now, and this is the server that we've been on. So I'm gonna go ahead and go up, and you can see it's still the same world. Generating chunks still. Here we go. So this is still the same world. Here's the spawn and everything we've done before. And yeah, still the same world. We're in 1.12 now. And still vanilla. Everything's still vanilla. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how to take all the stuff we've done into command blocks and convert it into the new 1.12 function, which you probably already know exists. But if you don't, function is basically taking a command block and putting it in a little text document and having it run from there. So it's in your world folder. Yeah, so it'll come in your world folder, and yeah, and you can put multiple folders. You can have it all organized and neat. And to be honest, I like it much better than command blocks because I find it easier to edit. That's just me, because I like to edit text better, and the text editor is better. And yeah, so if you do not have a text editor, if you only have Notepad, you can download Notepad++ for free. Link in the description. It's really good text editor, basic, free, open source, I believe, too. And yeah, does this still work? It does. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and convert most of this stuff down here into functions. Now the thing with functions is you cannot use test4 commands because you can't use the comparator. Like in Minecraft, you can take a command block, put a test4 in it, and then you can always get a repeater going out, but you can't place it on that. So, so you can always do this, but in a text file you cannot do that. So that means we're gonna have to use execute. Execute's another option. It's similar to test4, only it's a little different. If you haven't heard of it, then you probably should go learn about it. I mean, if you've never touched a command block in your life, or you have no idea what you're doing, you probably should go read up on some of the execute command, because it's the most popular command that's used in one command creations, and I've used them in some of these too. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and convert all these into functions, and I'll show you how to do that. So you need to go ahead and open up your world folder first. Okay, so on my desktop, and as you can see, we have the world folder open, and this is the root I'm in. I'm in my desktop, which is where the server is. There's the server folder, and then the world, and then we're in data, and then functions. So let me go back and show you. So this is the Minecraft server that we have, and we're gonna go to the world file. Then we go to not advancements. We go to data. Then we go to functions, and then I created a folder called modules, and I created one called main.mc function, which is what I'm gonna put everything in. So I'm going to quickly show you how to make a MC function file. So what you want to do is you want to go file new. Notepad++ automatically opens up a new file, but I'm just going to go file new, then file, save as, change normal text. Actually, just leave that like that. Then just type in where you want to save it. So I'm just going to do another one, test.mc function, and then you can put this in your modules, or you can just put it on your desktop and then drag it in later. I'm going to do that. Put it on my desktop, drag it in later. And you just want to save. Now, if you go to your desktop, it's right here. Test.mc function. And I believe there's already some stuff in here. There is already some stuff in here. As you can see, what I've done is I've written a little thing. So it's buys me. And this is where I'm going to put all the commands for our welcome system message for new player. And then this is for the one for welcome messages for every time a player joins. So if you know any programming language, you can comment, and the way you comment in here is by putting I think it's a pound sign, you can call it, or a number sign, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, and then what comment does is you can put that there, and it will not count this as a command, so it won't think that this is a command. You can just write text explaining what your command block does, or your certain command does, and it's a lot easier to work with. So this is what I've done to make it all organized, and you can always take these, and then when we do more, like the one sleep system, like that, and yeah, it's just a lot easier to use, and it's great. So Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and just copy everything over, and I'll tell you if you need to change anything, but I think I'll just have this file in a download for you, so you can just I'll just have it in a paste bin, so you can copy it and paste it into your own MC function file. And yeah, so I'm gonna go do that. So in the first command block here, for new player join, we have the test for. This is what I'm saying you can't use. That's why over here I've used an execute. So we're executing on all players tag equals not new, and we're telling them the welcome message, and then we're adding the tag new, so then it should work there. So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to leave out the command entering system because I find it kind of useless. We can always just teleport to the understand ourselves, so if you want to move that over, you can. I don't think it's using any... It's using execute, so you can move this over if you like, but I'm not going to move it over. Also, in your file, make sure you do not put slashes. If you put a slash before your command, it will not work. You do not want slashes. You just want the command, the first command. So there we go. There's the welcome message for new players. Not new players. This is every join. This is every time they join. So this is every join, and then this is new players. So there we go. There's that all sorted out. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the one sleep system, which might be a little different. And for the trigger commands, I like to always put the one to enable the trigger at the end. So I'm just going to put that down there. I just like it at the end better. It makes everything a lot neater. Alright, this is our command file for now, at least. Let me move that up there. And what you can do is you just need to save it, so make sure you just go Files, Save. I've already saved it with a shortcut, so there would be no need for me to save again. So I already saved it. If I make an edit, like if I put an S there, it'll come back. But right now, there's nothing there, so just File, Save. There you go, make sure it's saved. Control S if you're on PC, I think Command S if you're on Mac. And yeah, and now we can go back to Minecraft. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and disable, just put these all on needs redstone here. Just don't want to break anything. Just make sure all your repeaters are on needs redstone. You should be okay there. And now I'm going to just go ahead and do /reload. And that should have reloaded all the functions, so it's updating it. And so you don't have to restart your server every time. That's really useful. And now if we do /game rule, I think it's game loop function, and then we put the folder, so modules, and then we put a colon, and then the name of the file, which is main. Enter, and there we go. Seems to have worked so far. I'm gonna go ahead and test the night one. Oh, it seems as if the snowballs are spamming again. Okay, so I've gone ahead and removed the snowball unsleep thing because I cannot seem to get it working. And this will just be here, but it will. So, I think it worked too. Yeah, it worked. Oh, wait, hold on. There we go. It's dead. And so I've gone ahead and removed the snowball thing. As you can see, this will be gone. These brackets will be gone on yours because I would have updated it. So it'll just say the player is now sleeping. And so yeah, I cannot get the snowball thing to work. And the one thing I have tried it on another server too before, and I had some trouble, and I haven't done it. Maybe in the future I can try to get it working, or if any of you know how to get it working or have got it working, then it's great. So that's converting all that stuff to functions. I might put a video, or no, yeah, a video in the description if you want to learn more about functions, just to know about them. And there are also advancements, which are the replacement for achievements, and we will be getting into some of that too later. And yeah, so the way that this series will work is that every time a new Minecraft version comes out, we will most likely be updating to it if it's stable. We won't be going to snapshots. I will not be showing you how to upgrade to snapshots, because snapshots tend to be a little unstable. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. yeah, pretty much I think I've covered everything. So I just wanted to make the separate video to show you how to convert your server to 1.12. It's pretty simple. Next episode I'll be showing you maybe some admin tools that you can use, some mod tools that you can use to make your server a better place. And yeah, so if you guys did enjoy, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.